Good morning, keep going community, and welcome back to another episode of Let's Make a Sticker, the show where we have 15 minutes and 23 seconds to make a sticker completely from scratch. I'm your host, Hunter Moranville. Before we get started, I want to give a special shout out to the subscriber community. If you're not a part of that community yet and you want to join in on the awesomeness, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below. Today we're going to be making a sticker. Of course, the sticker is gonna say good vibes. Maybe it'll say good vibes only. I love seeing these stickers. I want to add my own spin to it and get some nice color going in there. So by the end of this video, we're gonna have a super sweet sticker that says good vibes only, and I'm so stoked, you guys. Today's inspiration comes from the song Oh My by Blue October, and just living a good full life. Let's go ahead and get rolling here. So we got the timer up and got the music going, of course. So we're gonna go ahead, start this timer. Let's do that. And we're gonna actually kick it off with a random thought of the day. You can spend your life any way you want to, but you can only spend it once. And that's a thought from Dwight Thompson. And that's a very good point. You can only spend your life one way. You can spend your life any way that you want, but you can only spend it once. So you better be putting good energy out there. Better be putting good vibes out there, you guys. No pressure, of course. Let's see, so I think we're gonna go ahead and just do like a white background, white kind of like stroke for it. And then we'll go ahead and Control V that. And we'll just make this one a little bit smaller. This is where the whole design's gonna go in here. And I saw this one sticker that had like a bunch of wavy designs, and I really liked that, so I think we're gonna do something like that. And let's go here. I already have my color palette up. Let's go something like, let's make like, we could make like a gradient, or it could be like blocks of colors. I saw a sticker that had blocks of colors. I thought that was cool. I don't want to copy it though. So I think we'll do some kind of like gradient looking thing. And maybe I like these colors for the gradient. So we'll do Sawtooth. This site's awesome, you guys. It's flaTUIcolors.com. I use this for like literally everything I work on. It is incredible. So let's go ahead and paste that in there. We got our first color. We'll just Control C, Control V, Control J. We will copy that. Get summertime right there. Let's go ahead, get that color in there. And then we'll do cornflower. And then we'll see how this looks. Control J that again. We'll go here, like so. And you know what, I'm kind of feeling another color. Pink is kind of cool. I don't know if it really fits in with these that we got going. Do these fit? Maybe this red one. But we want good vibes, you guys. We'll keep these for now. We'll see how this goes. And cool, okay, so we got that. Let's just do something like this really quick, because I want to get this gradient made. So we'll go ahead and add that. So this one is going to be that color. Oops, right there. This one is going to be that color. This one, that color. And, okay. Oops, let's do that one. Okay, right there, right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. That looks pretty cool. And now we'll go here, select that. I'll just turn those off for a second. Let's turn that layer back on. We'll go something like this. And I don't love it, you guys. We're ditching that. I don't like this color palette for that. Let's go here. I like this one. Let's do Mega Man. We'll go here, paste that. Oop. Whoops. Ah! What is going on? We'll go green right here. Still waking up, you guys, so I'm a little slow today. Yeah, we'll do something like that. I really like this color combo. I've done something like this a lot this week, and it's really enjoyable for me. I like it a lot. I like that. That looks really cool. So then we'll find like a cool text. We'll just say good vibes only in there. But before we do that, I'm gonna hit you guys with our random joke of the day. Our random joke of the day is, why do ghosts make great cheerleaders? They have so much spirit. Oh gosh. You guys, these random jokes just really get you. But I'm here for it, you know. It's goofy. They're good vibes. It's a good way to kick off this day. Don't really like that text. I do think Ooh, I kind of like this. Crocon goose. A bit smaller. Here we go. Good vibes. Let's take out only. Let's just keep good vibes in there. And it's looking pretty basic, you guys, so let's go ahead. Kind of like how it's doing that stuff. Let's actually, what could we do? Where's that one text from yesterday? That like super crazy one. Like sans serif. I forgot what it was called, you guys, but if you watched yesterday's video, there's this text that has like a bunch of lines in it, and I want that text right now. What's it called? Decorative? Oh no, you guys, we have 7 minutes. Script maybe? No. Handwritten. There we go, that's the one I want. Yeah, that's sick. We'll do good vibes like that. And then I want to try something back here. We're gonna go ahead and, dang you guys, I am so slow today. Yeah, okay, I kind of like that. And then what if we do just different colors for the letters? Let's try it. So I'm just going through selecting these. And so we got that. Let's go ahead, let's go find a color really quick. We'll start her off with this one. And then we'll just go ahead, paint bucket it, paste it in there, pow. Sweet, I like it. We're gonna keep this going. Right there. And then we'll do something like Jigglypuff. Let's do yellow instead. Cassandra yellow. And we got 5 minutes, you guys. And there. Let's go ahead. Well, let's do this blue one. I lied. I'm doing this one. And yep, that looks pretty cool. There. Right 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 there. These curves killed me, you guys. They absolutely destroy my momentum. Okay. We'll go here. Now we'll do Jigglypuff. Get jiggy with it. I feel like that's a pretty good little progression of that. Real quick, random fact of the day. Strawberries have more vitamin C than oranges. That's wild. But also, not surprised because strawberries are amazing. I love strawberries. I try to eat, well, I don't eat strawberries every day, but I like to eat them very frequently, at least a couple times a week, which, yeah, isn't like anything to like write home about, but you know what, you guys, it's better than nothing. And also strawberries are just amazing, so I try to include them in my diet. And then we'll go here like that. And then we'll go, let's see, which one haven't I done? Have I done that one? I don't know. We got 3 minutes. Oh, okay. Well, I don't want to do two so close like that, so we'll do this yellow. Maybe that one will be yellow. Actually, maybe this one will be like a red. Do that red there. Oh, oops. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, now I'm starting to get a little bit worried because I'm going really slow this morning. And boom, bam, bam, boom, 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 bam, pop, 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 pop. And then this one we'll do with that color. No, what just happened? Right there. And then here we'll go top, lock, drop it, like it's hot. Snoop Double D OG, baby. Alright, we'll do that one. And then this last one, I think we said we were gonna do that yellow up there. This one looks pretty tricky. And okay. Oh, we got 1:50. I was hoping to add something else to this, you guys, but I'm not really sure what else we could add to it. Maybe it's just good the way it is. It's beautiful. I love it. And we'll do this yellow. Good vibes. Good vibes for sure. Let's just try something really quick since we have a little bit of time. Let's do something that's like, let's go fill. Give me like that fill. And then I just want to see what happens when we do a thingy here. We got a minute left. Just want to see. Just because I'm curious what something might look like that. It kind of looks like a cookie almost. Not opposed to it, except these colors aren't that great of a combo. Okay, way too much going on here, you guys. Let's delete those. This looks good how it is. I'm pretty stoked with this. Pretty good vibes. And okay, and that's it. That's our timer. Let's go ahead and stop that timer there. So this is our sticker that we have, our Good Vibes sticker. Pretty stoked with it. I think I might revisit this one, but it's a good place to start for inspiration. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, join in on our subscriber community. Make sure you guys do that. I'm gonna leave you guys with a journal entry idea, something to get your brain thinking throughout the day. What do you do to relax? I love being creative. I love listening to music. I love meditating. I love doing yoga. Those are things that I personally love doing. What are some things that you love doing? Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another episode of Let's Make a Sticker. Till then, remember, stay awesome, stay creative, keep trying, keep doing, and keep going. I'll see you guys on the next one.